My name's Jeff Major and we're in Zenzi Tinker Conservation in Brighton. Behind me you can see a large fragment of the Kedleston state bed, and at the moment we're producing a paper mache reproduction of the canopy that you would be looking at if you were lying in bed. That's what you'd be looking up at.
The silk was in fact original silk, and so we were brought in to come up with a way of covering the original silk with the new silk, with the reproduction silk, but without damaging the original silk.
We came up with the idea of using a foil lining. This protects the silk while we apply 4 layers of pasted Japanese tissue. So the techniques that we use are a combination of traditional European paper repair techniques and Japanese techniques. We use Japanese tissue, we use a starch paste which we prepare in a Japanese way, we use Japanese brushes.
Japanese paper has been used for lots of things. I mean, I think for this, I think it probably is a new technique. And actually, having done this and it being so successful, we're actually going to be using this technique to conserve an actual garment now with using some sort of laminated Japanese tissue. So it sort of opened our eyes to the possibilities of more things.
We cut new silk to exactly match the pattern of the original. We've applied a heat-sensitive adhesive to the back of the new silk, and a heated spatula is used to apply that silk to the paper form. Once the new silk is in place, we'll be able to remove the aluminium layer. We can then lift the whole ensemble back into position onto the canopy.
The tester has come back from the textile Conservators, and we are now just applying the carved ornament to the tester, which will then hold the new silk in place. Once this is on and the middle section's put into place, it'll be then taken back to Kedleston and then put in its position on the bed.